In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up Claude app. So first of all, launch open Claude application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Claude application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So you can continue with Google or enter your email in order to create your account. If you want to create your account with Google, tap on this option, continue with Google. If you want to create it with email, tap on this option, enter your email. Now what you have to do is provide the email address with which you would like to create the account. Now tap on the arrow icon. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to check your email. So open the Gmail application on your device. You can see over here Anthropic has sent me the email. Simply tap on that email. Now in this email you'll be able to see the sign in link. Tap on this option, sign in to Claude AI, that you can see on the screen. Now in order to create the account, what you have to do is simply enter your phone number over here. So first of all, select the country code, tap on the field of country code. After you do that, simply select the country code over here. After that, enter your phone number. Now after you do that, what you have to do is check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically confirming that you are at least 18 years of age. Now tap on this option, send verification code, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the verification code will be sent to your phone number. What you have to do is simply enter that verification code in another interface. Right now I'm not being able to receive the verification code in the phone number of my country or region, but you'll be able to receive it. Now after you verify your phone number, set up your profile by providing the profile informations. Follow through the prompts and your account will be created. So that is how you sign up Claude account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.